What's up, guys? Heading over to Nico's house. Gotta go fix his axles. So, see you when I get there.
I spilled the craziest amount of coolant and oil all on this, dude. You know what I did? I fucking sprayed the bitch down with a hose. I got some dish soap, dude. I sprayed it down, dude. Now scrubbing the shit out of this.
No way.
HOA's here, and HOA will chew me out. If our, you know, we have all this oil.
Oh, there's a homeowner association? Oh shit, get wrecked. Got this. Yeah. So, there's actually a change of plans. We are not changing his axles out because we don't have a compressor. So we can't get the axle nut off. So we're actually just going to change out his tires. He got new ones. His tires are bald. Super bald. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, when we take them out, they will.
You see that right there? Got wrecked. He doesn't feel like dying today. So,
I always feel like that, Chef.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, so we're actually gonna go to AutoZone, pick up a new upper control arm, and swap out his tires. Get back to you when they're off.
Alright, well, I gotta wipe my face off. Okay, so here's my tires. They are really bad. See? Look at that. Down to the metal threads in the tire. Which is why I need to change them out. Wow.
Alright, dude. Fuck, I didn't lock your keys in there, did I? No, we're good. Alright, bro. Let's take them. Let's go. Oh, shit. Almost bodied me. Dude, these things are disgusting. Question is, will it fit? I don't know. Slide them in there. Oh my god, dude, they're bigger than I thought. Fucking Miatas. Dude, I hate this.
Oh, fuck. Snap. Oh, dude.
Come on, dude, squeeze it.
I'm trying, man.
I know she's tight, but come on.
I don't even think it'll fit.
Here, hold
It's
this.
You gotta be like that.
Nah, dude. How are we gonna fit both in?
Dog, I'm telling you, get some wires.
Oh my god. Ow, fuck me.
I told you. I told you to be careful. This man. Alright.
Fuck you, man. Piece of shit tires. What are we gonna put? You can't even close it.
Yeah, that's what I said, bro. No. Slide it on the side, bro. And then try to squeeze the other one in there.
Yeah, squeeze it in there.
Yeah.
Can't fit.
That is fast. Put it in there, man. And then yeah. And then we'll just
This is not working.
We'll put some cables on it.
Dude,
It'll be
fuck
fine.
you and your cables.
Stand them up.
Yeah, be standing up. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, this ain't working.
Okay, so how's this gonna work? Should we take the truck?
How far away is the place?
It's not that far. It's over there.
How far is not far?
About 2 miles, maybe. You know.
You wanna hold them?
All right.
Yo, that new air filter though, AutoZone special. Hit me up. I'm a plug.
Ruin another shirt.
So, brand new VTech accelerometer. Brand new boost pressure liquid. Nico.
And then this is where we put the windshield wiper fluid.
Windshield wiper fluid. This is the transmission. Brand new.
Here's the headlight.
The headlight fluid.
Don't forget the headlight fluid.
Blinker fluid, actually. That's blinker fluid.
Yep, goes right to the blinkers.
That thing. Dude. What was that? Fart, dude?
Okay, so we're on our fucking way to get my upper control arm for my car since it's fucking smashed. You guys didn't hear this, but about 1 minute before I turned on this camera, this man just grinded in his car. This man, he don't know how to drive. Ooh, new ship knob, dude. I like that shit. Better than the Katana. Alright, but we're about to head out. Hopefully, grab this and get the tires as well to the place. The place goes at 6. It's about 4 o'clock. Hopefully, they'll squeeze us in and you know, get the shit fit. Okay, so we just got our part from the AutoZone, which is back there.
Prius is coming.
It's coming for them cheeks. But AutoZone's alright for parts, honestly. All these places, they get phone test parts, fucking, but you know, parts on a budget. So here's my fucking output controller. It is ginormous. This thing is fucking huge. It's bigger than the aftermarket one I have on right now, which you guys probably saw. It is crazy huge. So we're just gonna slap it on, you know, Moon Dollar Man style, and see what happens. You know, hopefully it runs, hopefully it doesn't. If it doesn't, then fuck, we're gonna have to come return it and buy aftermarket ones and slide those on, see what you know, works. So like, this is the new control arm. It's non-adjustable, as you can see. The aftermarket control arms that came with this, yeah, no, I don't have the cotter pin. That came with it were adjustable. Like, so you can zoom in right here. They were adjustable, and now they're not anymore. Like, you see how it's popping out because the bolts won't even stay in anymore. So it's pretty busted. All right, we're taking off the top of the control arm right now, or trying to take off the top of the control arm right now.
Got it, bitch.
There you go. Got him. Best word right there. Josh 10 out of 10. Fucking get bodied. Right now.
It's lit, fam.
It's lit. Okay, so we just took off. We had to take the coils off because we forgot on the back of the upper control arm there's something to hold the coil in place as well, so it doesn't fall. Josh is taking off right now, but he's not so good. You know, it's pretty easy. Okay, but this right here is on the back of the coil, so we need to take the coil off and hit it out of the top to just, you know, pull it out without having to take the tie rod off and everything else. But you do have to pull the coil down with the bolt right there. This bolt, just take the bolt out, take the 2 top bolts on the coils out, and then just slide this down, coils off, you're able to pull it off, and then we can get to replacing it. But as you see right here,
I like how they don't give you a
how bent and mashed up it is. Like, it's pretty bad.
They do.
This one was like really, really bad. So, this is the new one.
With a cotter pin.
With the cotter pin. This one's non-adjustable, which is what I want. I do not want camber in the front. These look like fucking cheap ass, you know, cheap ones that you get from any other store. So once you just literally do everything backwards. Just the 2 bolts up here for the upper control arm. These 2 bolts to hold in the coil. And this bolt right here to hold the coil. We put the new control arm on. It's all on. It came with a cotter pin. It came with the new pin. That's great. Everything's on. Everything's good. Everything's tightened to spec mostly. But everything's good in the engine bay. Alright, so we finally got done. The new control arm. It's only one though. We'll get the second one later. But new tires are on. Everything looks great. Great. Very nice. And maybe later get, you know, some tires for the back. And, you know, yeah. Everything's fixed. Everything looks good.
We need a bath.
And that's how you switch stuff out.